Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Refreshing summer drinks. Basil seeds soak for 15 minutes. Tea powder. Dip in hot water for 10 minutes. Lemon yeast. Lemon juice. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Sugar 5 tablespoons. Lemon yeast half tablespoon. Water 200 ml. Blend. Ice cubes. Lemon yeast. Basil, soaked basils. Lemon juice. Yummy lemon juice is ready. Now refreshing cucumber drink. Healthy. Cucumber 1. Honey 4 tablespoons. Water 150 ml. Blend. Ready to serve. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Cucumber juice. Ice cubes on top. I am using mango pulp. Mango half cup. Water 150 ml. Sugar 5 tablespoon. Blend. Mango juice is ready. For serving, ice cubes, basil seeds, mango juice. Now add tea. Mix everything. Enjoy refreshing mango drink. 3 refreshing drinks is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.